Hi guys, I know the lighting's bad here, but that's because I want to do another little review of this Doctor Who sonic screwdriver. I watched a few videos after I reviewed this when I found it in the charity shop, and I now know how it works. I thought there was a loose wire in it or something because it seemed to be very intermittent on the way it works, but apparently this is the touch control version. And that little button on it is only to release this claw effect on the end. It doesn't actually do anything else. All the control is, it must be a capacitive connection. When you actually grab it and hold here and here, you see it activates. So we don't actually need that up. So if you just hold it, it goes off. I'm not pressing the button at all. Has two sound effects. And if you know how to do it, it's got two more sound effects. You have to tap it fast. Not sure if I can do it. Nope, that wasn't it. No. There we go. So that's the third effect. That was 3 taps, and if I can get 4 taps in there, we get the fourth effect. No. So there we go. It has 4 sound effects. I thought there was a loose wire inside because it seemed to be a bit intermittent as to what was happening. That's because I didn't understand. It was just hold it. Button has nothing to do with it. And if you're clever, nope, didn't do it. And nope. So there we go. I've updated the video description on my video now. I know I'm just filming the screen, but I did have this link in here. The video by VoteSaxSonic07. That was the one I watched immediately after having done my review, and he does a much better review of one of these when it's brand new straight out the box, so he actually knows how it works. And then I've had a few comments as to whether this is the 12th Doctor Who or the 11th Doctor Who sonic screwdriver. Personally, I have no idea. It makes no difference to me because I'm not a Doctor Who fan. But I've got another video in here now which reviews the 11th Doctor Who sonic screwdriver by E Before I video reviews. So check out my video description. I'll put the same stuff in the new review that I'll do, but I'm not sure when I'll upload this. So nothing wrong with this one, except it is missing the power core from the bottom. There should be a little plug in the bottom here, but there's no switch in there. There's no electrical switch anywhere. It's a capacitive coupling thing, or touch sensitive. And as I say, I know I'm doing this in the dark, but I want to be able to see the LED properly. So there we go.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.